Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the screen brightness on HP ENVY X360. To change the screen brightness, click on this button right here, which is the control center, then you'll see the screen brightness right here. Now you can easily adjust it. You can also enable or disable automatic brightness by going to the settings, then go to the system, display, and now click on this arrow right here and enable change brightness automatically when lighting changes, and it will automatically adjust the brightness, but I don't want that option because it's kind of difficult to show that on camera. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.